is the decision taken by the government. They are playing a politics. It's a political game only that they do. Without knowing the reality, without knowing even the actual numbers of the residents of that place. So I don't want to debate, I don't want to waste time with this kind of issues which they raise. Number two, when we say we need additional land of 1.4 of 1.5 acres, means this land will not be transferred to these people. It should be transferred, it should be handed over to Shillong Municipal Board. Simple. It does not belong to them. This land belongs to the Shillong Municipal Board. That's what I'm saying. Don't play politics unnecessarily. If you need clarification, come and meet me. I will explain to you everything. So you can't just mislead people. I think enough is enough. Balikin ya keren hakatakulti. Ban persang ban persutu baklayu pajba jongi. Ngong pi hangno bagi ong bangin ai jaka ya kita. Ngong pi ka jaka ngin ai jaka Shillong Municipal Board. Bagi Shillong Municipal Board kan selek ikut don kam kum kinong trei jong ka Shillong Municipal Board. Dan rei ngong pi ngai ke statement joki. Hana bala da phimla manta IT hangi ka VP. Kai ka bikin lek maki. Habaki brio ki bom tip tang au bi klep tip ya kamdan khandau ki persang ban persutu baklai ki pajba ki chungi. I think enough is enough. Upaj bang atrai usutu bai kata. Tengah kerpat ye kini leaders. But kim day ban sutu bakla. But kim day ru ban mislead. Ye ki pajba jong ke jala jongi. Thank you so much.